my god.
What is that?
Scary. Is it recording?
Pretty big school. Is that upstairs? Yep. Was that you? Yo, there's someone here breaking shit. There's someone here breaking shit. They made good content though.
I'm not trying to contact. When was the first?
You?
I was scared.
Oh, wasn't it here?
Yeah.
But there's someone here. This is like a jail. But there's 100% someone else in here. Huh?
It's just an echo. It wasn't like there, like right over here.
What? Keeps like making noises. It's weird.
Keep going.
So let's go to the dance room.
Wanna go upstairs?
Is that the upstairs right there?
Yeah.
Thing? No?
What is it? Hop in. Is the court?
No.
Oh, this is the.
You know what? I don't think this is the actual gym.
You don't think so? But these are the hoops right here.
Yeah, but like not the actual gym. I think it's for games.
So you think that there's another one?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
That book bag looks new as hell.
It's what?
It looks new. It doesn't look like word down. Like
What book bag?
that bag right there is a book bag.
It's a book bag?
Yeah, it's new. Oh, file out. We could go upstairs if you guys want. Where?
If you want. You said what? Here's the stairs. Here's the stairs.
Oh, the same room, right? Not there.
I've seen this before. These papers?
Bro.
Those are the same guys.
What?
Bro, they've been to Cocoa Keys too. They've been to Cocoa Keys too.
Oh, did they go like everywhere?
I seen that same piece of paper. I posted it on my story. Were we here already? I think we were.
Yeah. There's like, yeah,
Or Ruben.
Somewhere last sound coming for a second.
That's the sound.
They got him in school.
It's not laughing at us. I'm not
Scared. Nah. They're laughing at us. They would. He would have heard it.
Let's get upstairs. Get upstairs. Back. It's a no-go.
Is this the same thing?
Yeah, this was it.
Yeah, that girl.
This was it, Rube.
That's the iron.
Yo.
Yo.
Yo. Alex.
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 Alex. Oh.
Yo, we're looking for Alex. Is he here?
He came to help. Oh, shit.
Oh, I thought you saw Alex.
Yo. Alex. Ruby snack for you.
That's not good.
Oh. Well, listen. What the fuck? These are just classrooms for this part.
Yeah. More here.
Just want to hear a cool story?
What's the cool story?
So I know a guy. Like, I think he was like 6 years old. He put something up his ear. Freshman year, it came out. And you know who it is? This guy right here.
He's talking about me.
He's talking about him.
What did you do?
So he put something up his ear.
Little pill.
Little pill.
No, I'm little. I do stupid stuff.
You put a little pill in your ear?
It's like a red pill, right?
Yeah.
I put it on the floor. Put it in my ear. Had it in there all my life until freshman year. In the middle of woodshop class, Miss Jennings.
You're lying.
Here.
It came back up, full of earwax. I took the earwax off. Like it was covered in earwax. I took it all off, and I saw the pill was red.
You serious?
Yeah.
Yeah. You gross motherfucker.
You had it on your whole life till freshman
Like
year?
5 years, yeah.
This is science room.
The science room?
You guys remember Mr. Nagaya?
Nah, I didn't have it.
Oh, never mind.
It's a gym part I saw.
Think so? I know
I
good.
thought that's the gym because that's like it's not that big. Like our gym's bigger than that.
It is bigger than that.
You do got the biggest gym in Illinois.
Yeah. But our gym is actually the biggest one in Rockford.
Really?
As far as high schools.
Nah, he's got like two gyms.
Bro?
Yeah. Upstairs and downstairs.
That thing is bigger though.
Yeah. Have you guys seen Breaking Bad? Have
Yeah.
it right here at this school. You be online. Mr. White. Mr. White. Cool thing. I don't know about that.
Where's the stairs at?
Raining.
Oh, yeah.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
You going up?
Yeah, watch out for this little rust.
Safe?
Oh, fuck. Where's this? Watch your head, alright? Bro? Watch your head. You don't want another accident like that fucking goof bump.
Oh,
Oh!
we're on the roof.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Just, I probably shot you. That looks it.
What?
That part.
Wait,
Cut straight.
you think that's an apartment?
Yeah, look. The windows are all broken.
You think they're apartments? This is crazy.
Okay, let's not do that.
Guys, I literally almost fell off this. Look, it's literally about to fall off. Shit. I would have fucking broke my back if I hanged on it. Don't move it. Look, look.
Hell yeah, that shit got a lot, bro.
Should I just come down?
No, this one you can do this one. Are we drawing a warp this time?
Try it, because we're actually out here, like outside.
Is that where it came from?
I think so. I don't know.
What?
The way we came from? No, actually, our place is over there. Wait, where's the actual,
Doesn't matter, you just gotta get to the street. Just walk to the hospital.
Yeah, because that door is wide open. So look at
Third
this.
time a charm?
Yeah.
You already know we got the biggest spots. Gary has the biggest spots.
This is a band stuff. But it's nice.
It's an abandoned town, you can say. But hey, man, I mean, there's 2 hours away. Fuck it, it's worth the trip, right? Am I right?
Yeah.
Am I right? Glory?
Exploring team.
The hospital.
Maybe it was farther though. Like he was somewhere else. Oh shit! Oh my god.
Y'all saw that?
Yeah.
Not on camera?
No, but like I heard it.
Imagine Joe Biden flying that bitch up.
You would have fell to the metal.
That's what I was saying.
I would have told you.
You were still down there.
I would have saved you from down there. I would have.
Damn.
I would have. Caught him.
So Spider-Man.
Hey. You good, Joe?
Let me see that face again. Bro, you gotta see the video after you're done with it.
Just press the button.
Alright.
We got like an hour and a half.
Yeah.
That's the steep. That's the steep. Look, right?
You could.
No, Ruben, no.
You can jump down.
What if it falls down?
No, Ruben.
Let's go?
No, there's a thing there, like.
Let's go?
Oh, no, that's stupid though.
Let's go?
No,
Let's go?
no. That one guy probably like, yes, they're gone. I can break shit.
Yes, they're gone. Yes, they're gone. That's not funny as hell. Yes, they're gone. I can break shit. What's up, the gym?
Oh, there's a.
That one big
There's
building.
like a big building over there.
Let's go that way.
But we
Where?
can't.
Where are you
Go
going?
downstairs.
Oh.
It's most likely go first floor, bro. It's not gonna be
Oh yeah, because it was like a whole separate building.
Oh,
It was
yeah.
connected.
There's the. It's the.
Oh.
We can't go that way. Oh, this is the second floor. That's on the first floor. I think so.
Yeah, it's extremely dark.
Hey, damn. What a moose. Yeah, this.
This is where the gym was. Yeah, you can see. Yeah.
Looks like a gym. I'm gonna my phone out.
But it's dark though. That sucks. Yeah, this is that one building we saw, Joe.
This is the gym.
That's a gym?
Yeah, this is the gym.
Ah, fuck. It's too dark to see on the camera.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We'll get close. Can you see now?
Yeah, it is really dark in here.
Really dark.
You can't see anything.
You can't see for shit, let me see.
Look. Nothing. Actually, right there, if I look down.
Let's see what's down. The food right here.
Yeah. It's all messed up.
The whole backboard is there. You see it, guys? See
Yes,
it?
sir.
You see it around? It's all messed up. You gotta shoot a hoop.
Wait, what? We all graduated.
Well, what? Hey, what? Jay, what? Jay, what? This the outside already? Yeah. Ah, what?
Glasses and stuff.
Oh, we can go upstairs.
I mean, it looks just empty though.
We don't know that. Oh, do you?
I do.
I do.
Like,
Bro, if this was light, it would be really nice.
I was gonna say something really mean.
Shut up.
Up here?
Yeah.
Aren't you going that way though?
No, like when we left, remember? We walked in here. Dude, was it in this room?
No,
Our room was in this dark.
it was not this dark. Yeah. And it had a chair.
Alright, let's go. Hey, yo. Where is it? Where's your money? Which pocket? Which pocket?
I don't know which one. Just look for it. Just look for it. Just look for it. It's the top one. It's the top one. It's the top one right here. Right here. Yo, hey, what's your opinion about this spot,
Oh,
man?
this spot right here?
Big L, big
It's
W.
the biggest W we've taken so far.
For real, what's your opinion, man? What's your opinion?
Look, there's been drama,
Uh-huh.
some cool stuff to look at.
Uh-huh.
There's just been, like, this cool. Like, I can't even explain it. That's how cool it
Speechless,
is.
huh? You're speechless, yeah.
Speechless.
It's unspokeable, huh?
That's not a word.
Oh. Well. Yo, what's your opinion, Joe?
Man,
What's your opinion, man? Yeah,
bro,
man.
it's a big W.
Big W?
Y'all saw a little
Big
theater.
W?
That's theater, right?
Yeah, that's
Theater.
a big
bussin',
theater.
Gin, bussin'.
It's a little dark,
Place
but
is
yeah, it's
bussin',
buzzing, it's buzzing, it's buzzing.
And the
Definitely
artwork everywhere. The artwork. Look at it. Look, it's all over the lockers, too.
Beautiful,
Just wanna give a
guys,
shout out to
beautiful.
all the guys who do all this.
They come here.
Y'all are great.
For your art,
Cool.
thank you, thank you, thank you.
Alright, guys, we'll see you on the next video. Peace out.